I just cleaned all these pieces to my 8mm Mauser. Now I'm going to do a process that will prevent them from rusting. Ooh. Yeah, it's not good to breathe that stuff in. I should be wearing a respirator, but I'm not. Don't got one. Fuck it. This is a nasty process, but it prevents rusting. Alrighty. So this is the bolt that goes to my Guevara 88 8mm Mauser. I cleaned this when I first got it, which would have been months ago. And since then, it got kind of rusty because of the process I went through. And just like that, I got it put back together. It took me a good minute, though. And when I say a good minute,
I mean about 2.5 minutes, literally.
I couldn't remember exactly how to get it, but once I got it, I was like, oh, I remember now.